but I don't love it on me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and I am back with another fragrance video from my friends over at Dossier. Y'all know I am like the queen of smell good products and like fragrances and testing and trying out new scents. I still feel like I have yet to find like my signature fragrance, and until I find that, we're going to continue to test out Dossier products. So this video is sponsored by them, and I love working with them. Literally one of my favorite brands, and I've discovered a lot of amazing scents through Dossier. And if you guys don't know what they are like a luxury dupe fragrance brand that creates amazing quality fragrances like the luxury versions, but at a fraction of the price, like $29 to $49 range, and it is amazing. Sorry if you can hear my mom's dog downstairs having a fit. But I did pick out some new scents this month, and I wanted to kind of review them for you guys, give some first impressions, and also share a Dossier fragrance that I have been obsessing over. I've gotten several compliments, and I tend to wear this one to the gym a lot because it stays in my gym bag, and it is the Dossier Gourmand White Flowers. I am obsessed. This is a dupe for the Viktor&Rolf Flowerbomb, and honestly Dossier is so good because you're able to test out these luxury fragrances without having to commit to an expensive bottle and being stuck with it. So I think this is gonna convince me to buy the real thing, because when I tell you, it is like a floral fragrance, but it's not OD and like too girly of a scent, and it's not overwhelmingly floral because the notes are very well balanced. It has a little bit of like that gourmand, that sweetness that I personally love. So this one has bergamot, green tea, berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla, and I love the vanilla and the caramel. It really warms up the floralness, and I need to wear this today. It is so good. Like, I need to commit. The real thing is like 180 something, maybe around there, depending on the size of the bottle, but this, affordable. And Flowerbomb is under the warm and spicy category. It's described to be warm and sweet gourmands with jasmine, orange blossom, and patchouli. So I really love these notes together. Like, I need the real thing immediately. This is the Gourmand Patchouli. I love the packaging, by the way. I always look forward to getting my Dossier fragrances. Also, they do bundle deals, so the more you get, the more you can save on. And I have a coupon code as well. If you guys want to save extra at checkout, you can use my code Kayla5 for some savings. So I wanted to try out the Terry Mugler fragrances, test them out through Dossier before committing to the real thing. I think their bottles though are really beautiful, so it makes me want to add one to my collection. But just to see if I really liked the vibe, I wanted to test it out first. So this is the Angel Parfum, and this one has mandarin, berries, passion fruits, patchouli, honey, plum, caramel, vanilla, and cocoa. When I saw that on the Dossier site, I said we need to try it out immediately. So here's what the bottle looks like, and I just want to see, like, first off what I'm smelling. So, oh, it has a nice masculine scent to this. Definitely for nighttime. I'm definitely getting a spiciness from this, but it has honey, cocoa, vanilla, and caramel. I don't know if I'm getting that right away, but I want to see what the dry down is like. I'm just getting a spicy fragrance. So yes, the original fragrance is warm and spicy. It's described to be warm and sweet gourmands with bergamot, red fruits, patchouli, and this one retails, you guys, for $185. Okay, I'm definitely getting a little sweetness from the honey while it's on my skin. I don't think I love this as much as I honestly love the Flowerbomb. This is a little bit too I don't know how to describe it, but it only retails for $29 on Dossier. So $185, $29, not bad. I'm getting like, maybe it's just not meshing with my body chemistry. See, this is why we need to test out fragrances, okay? And Dossier makes it really easy. I'm almost getting like a sour, I'm picking up a sour note, and maybe it's the passion fruit. But I don't love it on me. It's not meshing with my body chemistry. So let's try a different fragrance, because this is just the first impressions. So I also decided to pick up the Terry Mugler Alien, but it's a Dossier Ambry Cedarwood. So this one caught my eye because it has orange blossom, and I remembered I tried an orange blossom fragrance before from Dossier, and I really loved how it smelled on me. So I thought this would be really good. It also has mandarin, cardamom, jasmine, cedarwood, and amber and vanilla, just to name some of the notes. So let's see if I like this better. This one also retails for $29 on the Dossier website, which is amazing. The original Moogler fragrance retails for $180. I also really like the bottle of the original. Ooh, this one already smells like, that other one was not sweet. Like, I wasn't getting, okay, I'm getting a lot of the honey from the other one, but I don't know, I wasn't picking up on the caramel and the cocoa. So I don't know, we're gonna find out if this one is a better fit for me. Definitely a little bit more feminine. I'm gonna smell crazy. I'm going to the gym after this. So let's see what the dry down is like. It's already more girly, but I don't like super frou-frou girly scents. It almost has a powdery scent, which softens the fragrance. It's not so spicy like the last one. Yeah, this one I could totally see myself wearing, especially in the daytime. And it actually reminds me a lot of the Dossier's Flowerbomb. So I feel like if you like the Flowerbomb fragrance, you're going to love the Dossier's Alien dupe. Oh, I love that one. It's definitely very, I don't want to say fresh, but it's just like lighter, more airy. It's giving, I would buy this, like the original one. I would commit for sure. Yeah, the other one is just, yeah, I don't know. If you like honey, probably go with the other one, the Angel. This one is really nice. I'm getting the amber, definitely getting the jasmine. I love jasmine in my fragrances as well. And I think the softness is coming from the vanilla as well. Definitely am a big fan, you guys. If you take anything from my review today, don't sleep on the Dossier's Gourmand White Flowers and the Dossier Ambry Cedarwood. These are definitely my two staple fragrances, especially for summertime. But I could also see myself wearing this on like a crisp fall day. I don't know. These are just really good staples that I felt like my fragrance collection, which you can see behind me, was lacking. And like I said, these are two that I want to continue to wear and see if it's worth, you know, me going and buying the real things. I think those are just such lovely fragrances. So definitely check out Dossier, and I will leave all the details in the description box below, along with my coupon code Kayla5, so you guys can save on your next Dossier order. And they do a really good return policy. If you get something and maybe you're not so like obsessed with it, you have like 30 days to do money back guarantee. And I think that's about it for this video though. So I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.